Very good. Okay, eat your rice. Egg. Eat rice with eggs. But that's very good. Yummy? Yes, baby. Pupo? Okay, remove your pants. Hurry up. Open the door in the toilet. Come on. Go to the bathroom. Hurry. Very good, Bidette. Wow! Good job. Okay. You get the chair. Very good, Bidette. Wow! Inom pa ulit. Oops naman. Okay, you can do it. Open the lid. Very good, Danny. That's right. The other one only. One only. And then sit down on the bowl. Very good. Ay, kain muna ng rice. Rice muna. Rice, Bidette, honey. Rice. Very good. Rice naman, rice. Are you okay, Danny?